Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mamta Bansal from Triveni Institute of Divine Sciences. So today I'm going to share a lost link of ancient spiritual sciences. It's about angelic realm, where we can enter through divine knowledge to the angel astrology. This is the first video of angel astrology, so you will come to know who is your personal angel and what is his role in your life. So let's see. I know many questions and doubts must be floating in your mind by now. Let's peep through the clouds and get a clear view of the angelic realm. Generally, people ask me a few questions like angel is a Western concept and how can it be related to Vedic astrology or other astrology, or the angels are the divine beings, it will be difficult to reach up to their realm for help. Are they some spirits of deads like Bhoot Pret? Guys, astrology is a divine science and that's why its oracle is called divination. Angels reside in angelic realm in the heavens, but we need not to go to them for help. Neither we need to go to temples like places, but they are always around us. Whenever we remember them, whenever we ask for any help, they are ready to help us instantly. You just need to call them, you just need to speak their name and tell what you want. Yes, it's so easy. Important is to know the name of your personal angel, who is always connected to you, who is always around you. Important is to know what your personal angel will do for you. I know you are eager to know about your personal angel now. Okay guys, I will give you a little background. Astrological calculation depends upon the zodiac divisions. There are mainly two types of zodiac in astrology. One is sidereal and the other is tropical, also called Sayan and Nirayan. I will clear you briefly with this concept so that it becomes easy to understand the angelic concept. In this diagram, you can see two circles. These are two types of zodiac. In the inner circle, look at the junction line of Pisces and Aries. Junction line of Pisces and Aries. This is the starting point of zodiac in the beginning of Yuga. However, till now, since a few years, thousands of years of past in particular Yuga, so till now this reference point has moved backward by approximately 23 to 24 degrees in Pisces. This you can see a point coinciding in outer circle. Now this distance by which this reference point has moved backward is called Anamsha. In Vedic astrology, both the zodiac are used effectively, but it's one aspect in which the Anamsha is added to the reference point and the start of Aries is considered by the entry of Sun in that fixed star on 21st March every year is called Sayan or tropical zodiac, which is followed in Western astrology mainly. While the zodiac without Anamsha or say reduced Anamsha is followed in the Vedic astrology mostly is called Nirayana or sidereal zodiac, in which entry of Sun in Aries varies with the time. At present it's on 14th April. Hope it's clear. Now we come back to our topic of angel astrology. Angels are the powerful spiritual energies. These are linked with fixed star territories. These are recognized as energy beings deputed by God ruling over certain area of zodiac as per the angle of Sun within that celestial sphere. So for finding out our angel, we need to calculate as per tropical or Sayan or the Western zodiac. We use many types of divisions in astrology. We call them divisional charts. These are mainly from D1 to D16, but there are many other D60 and lot many other charts are there, and every chart, every division have different angels and thus changes their role too. Today we are going to deal with main chart with 12 divisions of zodiac, so it's called D1. Each zodiac sign has its own angel and archangel. Archangel is the chief of a group of all those angels who are allotted with the same territory and same work. In this video, I'll tell you about your personal angel, and in next video, I'll tell you about your personal archangel. And maybe in some other video, I'll tell you about your guardian angel too. These are the sun signs related to birth dates. So if one person is born on, let's say, 25th March, he'll be Aries by sun sign. So if a person is born on, let's say, 1st Jan, he'll be Capricorn. So guys, please note your sun sign. You will know now about the name of your personal angel and his major role into your life. Let's start with sun sign Aries. For those who are born between 22nd March to 20th April, personal angel is Mechidiel. He is the angel of courage. His name means the fullness of God. He gives stamina and courage. Aries generally hesitate expressing their love, so Mechidiel gives them grace in heart and makes them expressive. So whenever you need to take initiative or whenever you need to express your feelings, just call Mechidiel. Sun sign Taurus means birth between 21st April to 21st May. Your personal angel is Esmodel, the angel of patience. This angel embodies the spirit of rebirth. So whenever you are in crisis, whenever you feel you are finished, whenever your every hope seems to be lost, just call Esmodel and he will rejuvenate your spirit. He will send rays of hope in your heart. People born between 22nd May to 21st June have their zodiac sign Gemini. Your personal angel is Embriel, the angel of communication. He is the Prince of Thrones too. He is very brave and protects us against all the evil forces. So whenever you are in need of protection, just call Embriel for help. He helps you to develop and realize your inner potential. He awakens the strength within you too. June 22 to July 22 is ruled under sun sign Cancer. Your personal angel is Muriel, the angel of sentiments, and is the lord of element water. She helps us flourish, rejuvenate, and develop strength within. If you are upset with emotions, anxiety, and worry, then you need to call Muriel without any delay. She asks you to involve yourself with nature, enjoy the sunshine, feel the grass under your barefoot, feel the drizzle on your face, smell the flowers, and you will get all what you want. July 23 to August 22 birth date means Leo sign. Your personal angel is Vershiel, the angel of affection. He reminds us to take time for leisure and joy, to play and relax, to spend value time with family. He brings happiness in your life. People born between August 23 to September 22 belong to Virgo sign. Your personal angel is Gamaliel, the angel of perseverance and logic. He ensures your success by reviewing the work done and motivating for more efforts. Librans are born between September 23 to October 23. If you are Libra sign, then your personal angel is Uriel, the angel of creativity, salvation, and inner reflection. He continuously reminds you to focus on goals, the goals of material life as well as higher spiritual goals. Success comes to you as a sudden flash of light. October 24 to November 21 is the time of Scorpio sign. Your personal angel is Barbiel, the angel of honesty. He transforms you, bestows clarity, honesty, and objectivity. He ensures you to enjoy successful fruits of your hard work. He helps your resources and stocks to increase. If you are born between November 22 to December 21, then you are Sagittarius sign. Your personal angel is Adnasiel, the angel of independence. He helps you to acknowledge and appreciate others who have always supported you, whose efforts have helped you to achieve success. It makes you independent. December 22 to Jan 20 is the time of Capricorn. Haniel is the angel of love, is the personal angel of Capricorns. He reminds you to give thanks for our achievements and celebrate with others. People with date of birth from Jan 21 to Feb 21 are Aquarians. Your personal angel is Gabriel, the angelic messenger. He teaches you to take charge of yourself and your lives, helps you to trust and be honest and be patient too. He guides like an experienced elder with wisdom. He helps you to set new goals for the next year too. Pisces sign takes up the last division from Feb 22 to March 21. Their personal angel is Barkhiel, the angel of patience, peace, and compassion. In your bad time, he gives patience to wait for the good time. He makes you compassionate towards the needy and the helpless. So guys, this was just the glimpse of what angels can do for you. There is much more to experience with them. Thank you, angel, for the divine guidance. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. In my next video, I'll tell you about personal archangel. Thank you.